EV, hybrid versus gas. Which one fits your life better? Ever wondered which car really fits your lifestyle? Should you go full electric, stick with a hybrid, or just keep it classic with gas? Today, we're taking a deep dive through the eyes of three real-life drivers, a commuter, a road tripper, and someone living in an apartment, to see which option truly wins. 1. Commuter life. The daily grind. Meet Sarah. She's a 28-year-old marketing executive living in the city. Her life revolves around her daily commute, 30 minutes each way to work. Gas, EV, hybrid, which makes the most sense for her? Let's start with electric vehicles. EVs are perfect for someone like Sarah if she has access to home charging. Imagine waking up every morning to a full battery, no stops at gas stations, no waiting in lines, and zero emissions as she drives to work. Plus, the instant torque and smooth ride of an EV turn her boring commute into a quiet, enjoyable drive. But there's a catch: range anxiety. Sarah's daily commute is short, but what about the weekend errands? EVs are fantastic for daily driving, but if she forgets to charge, she might find herself scrambling. Still, for city life with predictable routes, EVs often shine. Next, hybrids. Hybrids give Sarah flexibility. She can drive on electricity most of the time, but the gas engine kicks in if she forgets to charge or needs to go further. For someone who likes safety nets, hybrids are ideal. They offer peace of mind without sacrificing efficiency. Finally, gas cars. Classic, reliable, and familiar. Gas vehicles don't require charging infrastructure, and Sarah can fill up anywhere in minutes. But in a city where traffic is constant, her fuel costs will climb. Maintenance is higher, and let's not forget the environmental impact. Verdict for Sarah: if city commuting is her life, EV wins for convenience and sustainability, hybrids are a safe backup, and gas is the least exciting option. 2. Road tripper, the adventure seeker. Now meet Mike. He's a 35-year-old adventure enthusiast who loves hitting the road for weekend trips, sometimes hundreds of miles at a time. For him, range and flexibility are the top priorities. Let's talk EVs first. Modern electric vehicles are improving, with ranges of 250, 350 miles, fast charging, and more chargers popping up. But the truth is, for a long road trip, EVs can still be tricky. Planning charging stops, waiting 30, 45 minutes to recharge, and navigating rural areas with limited infrastructure can add stress. If Mike loves spontaneous trips, EVs might feel limiting right now. Hybrids, on the other hand, are a dream for someone like Mike. He can enjoy efficiency on highways and still have the security of a gas engine when the chargers aren't around. Hybrids strike a perfect balance for long drives, providing freedom without compromising fuel savings. And gas cars? These are Mike's traditional go-to for road trips. Fill up, drive, repeat. No range anxiety, no waiting, and a network of gas stations everywhere. But gas cars are less efficient in stop-and-go traffic and can be costly over time, especially with fluctuating fuel prices. Verdict for Mike: hybrid is a smart middle ground, offering freedom and efficiency, while gas remains reliable for pure convenience. EVs are exciting, but long-distance travel still requires planning. 3. Apartment living, the urban challenge. Lastly, let's meet Priya, a 30-year-old designer who lives in a downtown apartment building. She loves driving, but doesn't have a garage or a personal charging spot. What's the best choice for her? EVs are tricky here. Without home charging, she'd rely on public chargers. That's not impossible, but it can be inconvenient. Imagine having to plan every trip around a charging station, waiting in line during peak hours, or dealing with chargers that aren't working. For apartment dwellers, EVs aren't always the easiest fit. Hybrids shine for Priya. She doesn't need to worry about charging infrastructure, yet she still gets impressive fuel efficiency. It's like having the best of both worlds: low emissions on short drives and no anxiety for longer trips. Gas cars are convenient because filling up doesn't depend on parking or chargers. But like Sarah, fuel costs in stop-and-go city traffic can add up fast. Verdict for Priya: hybrid is likely the most practical. EVs are exciting but logistically challenging, and gas is functional but less efficient. 4. Cost considerations. Reality check. Now let's break down money because reality matters. EVs usually have a higher upfront cost, but incentives, tax credits, and lower running costs can offset that over time. Maintenance is also cheaper. Fewer moving parts mean fewer trips to the mechanic. Hybrids are a moderate investment. You pay a bit more than a gas car, but fuel savings add up, and maintenance is manageable. Gas cars are the cheapest up front, but fuel, insurance, and long-term maintenance costs can make them more expensive over the years. 5. Environmental impact. Making a difference. If reducing your carbon footprint is important, this changes the game. EVs produce zero tailpipe emissions. The only emissions come from electricity production, which is getting greener every year. Hybrids reduce emissions compared to gas cars, but still burn fuel occasionally. Gas cars? They leave the biggest footprint. For someone like Sarah, every commute in an EV is a small win for the planet. For Priya, a hybrid helps reduce city pollution. Even for Mike, choosing a hybrid over a full gas car makes a noticeable difference on long trips. 6. Fun and lifestyle. Driving experience. Let's not forget the feel of the car. The fun part. EVs offer instant torque, quiet rides, and a futuristic tech feel. Perfect if you like smooth, effortless drives. Hybrids feel like a normal car with occasional surprises of electric boost. You still get familiar handling and added efficiency. Gas cars deliver classic engine sounds, traditional driving feel, and the raw thrill of acceleration for enthusiasts. Your lifestyle and driving habits shape which experience feels right. 7. Quick recap. Who should choose what? Here's the summary. Commuters like Sarah, EVs are ideal for predictable daily drives. Hybrids are a flexible backup, and gas is least exciting. Road trippers like Mike, hybrids are a balance of freedom and efficiency. Gas is reliable, and EVs require planning but are fun for short trips. Apartment dwellers like Priya, hybrids offer practicality and efficiency. EVs are exciting but may be logistically challenging, and gas is functional but less efficient. Conclusion. The truth? There's no one-size-fits-all answer. Your lifestyle, commute, adventure goals, and home situation define the best choice. The future of driving is here. EVs, hybrids, and gas all have a place. The question is, which car fits your life perfectly? If you found this breakdown useful, hit that like button, subscribe for more honest car insights, and comment below. Which car do you think suits your lifestyle best?